Hi, this is Joy from Joy's Memory Lane, here to give you a little bit of Christmas just to start off the holiday season. It is fall and the Christmas decorations are in the stores, so it's time to start thinking about those Christmas cards. So I want to show you our card kits. If you've never tried a Creative Memories card kit, they are so easy and quick to use. They come beautifully packaged in these really nice boxes, which are reusable for organizing things in your craft room. This is our newest Christmas card kit called Deck the Halls, and you have all the supplies you need except for adhesive to create 12 cards. And there are bonus pieces, so if you have some more card bases, you can make up to 6 more cards. So first of all, when you open the box, you get these cute little recipes. They're basically just a little diagram. It shows you what the finished card will look like. It has all of the ingredients listed, and it tells you the order to put them on. So it's really quick and easy. Most people can do a whole card kit in an hour and a half or less. So let's keep digging in the box and show you what else is in here. We have neatly packaged the components, and these are all of the things you need. They come numbered and lettered so that you can easily sort them out, and we'll do that a little bit here. There is the bonus pack I mentioned, and this gives you alternate pieces that you can switch out for different elements in the cards, and you can customize them. This one is unique also because it has some neat things that you can stitch. Also in the box are your card bases, and they are white cardstock already scored and folded. They're a blank card, which we will then build our cards on, and there are coordinating envelopes. And these are fun because they have a cute area that you can use for your address, and it's a nice little wood grain print. So they coordinate beautifully. And, well, let's just get started. I'm just going to put this aside. Just wanted to give you a little Christmas color there. And first of all, what I do is I just take my card blanks and leave them there because we don't need those to do our sorting. And I have foam squares here, which are another option, which are great to add some fun dimension. So I don't even need those while I'm doing this sorting. So you'll take all of your items out, and you have little bits. You have card blanks, the card backgrounds, card bases. So I just take them like this, and just because I've got my space condensed here, I'll just do a few things to show you. But they're numbered and lettered, so I just start making my piles. So here's one. I have 5A and B together. Another 5A. Here's a 6, a 7, 7A and B. 6, A, I see a C, an E, 2, there's a 9, 9C, and so on. So you get that, right? So now that all of our pieces are sorted, we can look at the other things in this box. So because this has cute stitching elements, it comes with the embroidery floss in these beautiful colors that coordinate well, and you even get the needle. It's a nice embroidery needle, so it has a large eye, very easy to thread, has a cute little protective cover on it, so we'll keep that handy. So once you have all of these organized, you can just take them, and I leave them like this so that I can see the numbers, and I just go and I put them into piles, just layering them this way. And I'll try to put them in order. So we have 10 there. Here's 9, 8, 7, 6. And you'll see that some of them have more pieces than others, but they're all just as easy to do. And they are beautifully coordinated. The colors all work together. But this is a great way to give out beautiful handmade cards that will be one of a kind. So now I have my pile ready to go. I can just take my little instructions, and there's two to a paper. So here we have number 1, and on the back is number 2. So you'll see here, I just take this, take my card base, and sometimes the cards are going to be oriented with the fold at the top. Sometimes they'll be on the side. The card bases can be used either way. And I just will lay out my pieces here. And I simply follow the directions. And it tells me exactly the order in which to assemble. Adhere 1A to the card base. So here I have 1A, and I'll be assembling that, and so on, until you have your cards completed. Now I wanted to show you this new thing that has been added, first time for Creative Memories card kits. We have some punched pieces that have the holes all ready for you to do some fun stitching. So here it shows you we're going to stitch these the hangers, which would normally be like your ornament hook to hang the ornaments, and you stitch it right through these holes. And the stitching is very simple. It's just back stitching and very easy to complete. So let me show you on design 8. I've done that stitching, so I can show you what that looks like. So here is what card 8 looks like. And they'll show you right here, it's piece 8B, and it looks like this. And you just do this very fun stitching to create this kind of a starburst or snowflake look. And it will be mounted on this way. And you'll see there's 2 of these sentiment pieces. It looks like it's having a hard time focusing. There's 2 sentiments here. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. And I can use foam squares. Now it's showing that it's centered and it's all straight, but sometimes I like to do things a little whimsical. And I might make these a little cockeyed and make it just a little more fun. But by using some foam squares, you add some nice dimension, and you're ready to go. So if you're interested in a card kit, I will have the link down below. Please take a look at that, and you can order one for yourself. It's not too early to start. We all know we always have good intentions, so I would say if you're interested in making your own cards for Christmas this year, get started. And if there are several of you that are interested, we can even do an online class together and assemble them together. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for supporting my business. Bye-bye until next time.